own channel called Lucy Corn. We'll link it down below.
Yes, Lucy Corn, go check out our videos.
We will link her channel down below, so check that out.
Today we are doing some slime, and Molly decided to do the 3 marker slime challenge, which is basically when we make the slime, we're going to pick 3 of these here super tips. Blindfolded. And we have to color the slime and see which color.
3 colors they create. The slime.
Yeah,
probably brown.
The color.
Probably brown.
Yeah.
So
but if you get like 3 blues,
it's gonna be like dark
it's gonna be blue. So yeah, let's get on with the video.
So we're going to make the slime
And a time lapse.
Yeah, in a time lapse,
and then we're gonna. These are all the tips out here. So we have got everything set up. So let's get on with the slime video. Let's go. Okay, so after that quite long time lapse, we are done with our slimes. Well, done eating them. I think Molly's still getting there, but yeah. Ignore this picture.
We're gonna look at it now.
I know. Julie, say, can you move over a bit, please? Can you cover my mom?
They're gonna know it's your mom, and they're gonna look at it because she said, ignore the picture.
Dumb.
So now they're gonna look
Okay, my slime is quite a big slime. Her slime, holy god. Right, I'm kneading this for you because this is going to be a failure.
I can knead the fluffy slime.
Yeah, the fluffiest. Holy god, this feels like heaven.
Yay!
I thought my slime.
I got an A in my slime test.
I got an A in my slime.
Right, do you want to start the real challenge? You know?
Yeah, let's get a move on.
Okay.
Part 1 is over. Well, yeah.
Yeah, part 1. Okay, so we've made our slimes. So basically what the challenge is we close our eyes, pick 3 markers, and then we're going to open our eyes, and then we have to color our slimes, and then see what color they turn out.
How many spatches are we going to have to make?
1. 1 each.
So that means it's going to be brown at the end.
Maybe.
Obviously.
Okay.
So, I'm going to go first then, Olivia. Let me see.
Yeah, okay. Okay, Molly, pick your color.
Okay.
Can you put your slime down?
It's sticking to me. Okay, my eyes are closed. Double check.
Molly,
fingers
no
up.
of your eyes
Am I-
are holding up.
1.
Okay.
Where are the markers?
Okay.
Oh, I got this one.
Ooh, nice color.
Good start.
I got this one.
Good start. Okay.
Is it a good start?
Yes.
And this one.
Okay.
Amazing.
Open your eyes. You got those colors.
Oh my
It's the blue, the turquoise, and the pink.
Okay. So, close my eyes.
Let me just check. Okay, how many fingers are you holding up?
6.
I wasn't even holding up any of those waves. My hands on your face.
4. It was 4.
What?
It was 4.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
This one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah. You've got a really good start. I'm going to be like brown, brown, and brown.
And this one. Yes.
Yes, you got really good colours.
Ooh.
I need
Oh,
to
these
fix,
are actually like my favorite colors.
I need to fix the slime knife. The markers for Lucy because Olivia like threw them all across the room.
Yes, I did. Okay, close your eyes. How many fingers am I holding up? 4? No.
Can you move a little bit, please? No, I'm in the other way.
This?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. That's a good color. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
We pranked you.
Sorry, it was her idea. My slime is so small now. Look how small. Not fair. Okay, we're gonna color them and then we will see you guys when we've colored them.
We'll do a time
Our
lapse.
colors. Yes, we'll do a time lapse. Let's go.
So
We finished our
made the
slime. Mine turned out blue. This has turned out a really nice purple. And Molly's turned out a blue as well. So yeah, we'll leave a link down below to Lucy's channel, Lucy Corn.
And make sure to subscribe to her and